Are you someone who wants to get hands-on training? Are you someone who wants to get a training or internship at the shop floor of ITI Limited, Raebareli? If yes, Campus to Industry program is perfect for you. Hi, Ccentric Learning Edge Private Limited welcomes you all. We are here to provide engineering graduates a secure career ahead. In this training program, you will receive 4 months of training at the shop floor of ITI Limited, Raebareli. In the internship program, you will receive 1 month of hands-on practice at the devices and vehicles on shop floor of ITI Limited, Raebareli. That's not all of it, you will also get a training and internship completion certificate at the end of the programs. In the training program you will get 100% placement. By the end of the training program, you will be able to get placement with industrial knowledge, clear interviews with giant companies and land your first good quality job. So, what are you waiting for? Join our training or internship program. Enroll now. Find us on www.ccentriclearning.com and call us on 120-426-2966.